So we're here in the final, and it's the Teramo Titans versus the Kirti Warriors. Teramo Titans Nihal Verma and Aditya Mandapaka versus Vishak and Kiran of the Kirti Warriors. I'm Hari Kishore in the commentary box, and along with me is Hriday with the Teramo Titans taking that early lead of 3-0.
Yeah. So, all right, Kishore, just let me ask you this question just right off the bat. Who are you rooting for in this game?
Teramo Titans.
Kishore, why are you so
చెప్పాను ఆ విన్నింగ్ మెంటాలిటీ నాకు చాలా నచ్చిందని. ఐ లైక్ దర్ విన్నింగ్ మెంటాలిటీ.
ఓకే, కానీ నేను ఒకటి చెప్తా, నేను ఒడిశా నుంచి వచ్చిన, నేను అండర్ డాగ్, లైఫ్ మొత్తం నేను అండర్ డాగే. సో నేను ఎప్పుడూ అండర్ డాగ్నే సపోర్ట్ చేస్తా. సో నేను ఇప్పుడు కీర్తి వారియర్స్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తా, ఎందుకంటే కీర్తి వారియర్స్
దట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇన్ ద కామెంటరీ బాక్స్ as well.
That is true. That's what happens in football commentary. Do you watch football?
I do.
Who's your favorite football commentator?
Peter Drury, of
Peter
course.
Drury. నాకు తెలుసు, ఎందుకంటే హర్ష బోగ్లే, పీటర్ డ్రూరీ ఆర్ లైక్ క్లోజ్ ఇన్ అవే. బట్ పీటర్ డ్రూరీ నేను నిజంగా చెప్తున్నా, ఆ మెస్సీ వరల్డ్ కప్ ఫైనల్లో వాడు కప్పు పట్టుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ కమెంటరీ చేసింది అసలు దేవుడు నోటి నుంచి వచ్చిన మాటలాగా అనిపించింది.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get back into the match. Teramo Titans, they have bulldozed their way to victory in this whole tournament.
And especially, the one match that they were tested where, was against the Mavericks, where they lost that one tie.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's been Teramo Titans all the way.
Yeah. So, what I would like to believe is that since it's the Challenger tournament, maybe Teramo Titans has a great scouting policy.
Maybe yes. They have a good scouting policy, and they've also got a good training ecosystem in place, is what I would want to believe. You have your right training nuances and all that. It tells a lot in the way that you're playing and all that, and it also tells in the way that you're also pairing. It's also an art to pair the two right players out there.
So are you telling me they get the combinations right?
Absolutely, they get their combinations right, they get their game styles right, they get their mentality right. Half of the game is won before you enter the courts.
Yeah.
And I think they've got that with them.
All right, as we speak, it is 4-4. Right.
Shantanu is blowing the top out there. He's right there in the mix of things. That's what I love about Kirti Warriors as well. They've got the team, they've got the right backing as well. People are there to support them to the hilt.
Yeah. And just look right now, if you can see on your screen, the Kirti Warriors management team is so passionate.
Absolutely, and it rubs on to the players as well at some point. When you have such a backing from the sidelines, you've got a vociferous crowd backing you, and I'm sure you really want to up your game, you really want to do well, and that's what is happening with the Kirti Warriors as we speak. They're 5-4 up, a slender 1-point lead. Of course, they're on the second serve.
Good serve, good return, playing in the kitchen. It's a rally that's going, unforced error. My God, that's not the kind of error that you would expect in a final. But Kirti Warriors in the lead. Let's go.
2-point lead for the Kirti Warriors. As we said, they're the second serve. Make it 7-4, make it a 3-point lead now.
Kirti Warriors, let's go.
And
by the way, Kishore, can you give some background into who owns Kirti Warriors? Because it's an interesting story. It's rooted to the story of Hyderabad sport in a way.
Absolutely, co-owned by Saina Nehwal, the queen of badminton. Undoubtedly, she's the player who started the Olympic medal revolution, the World Championship medal revolution, before PV Sindhu took that mantle of the queen of badminton. And having such a player in the ranks also rubs up well on the players, because they have that winning mindset.
You can see the management team of the Kirti Warriors trying to tell their players to calm down.
Absolutely, and Scoreboard has been stagnant for a while. Kirti Warriors on serve. It's their first serve. They need to go ahead and
Good
make it
return.
count. Second serve now for the Kirti Warriors, having made an unforced error when they were serving first. 7-4, looking at 8-4, a 4-point lead.
All right, let's go Kirti Warriors. And the only reason, I understand a commentator is supposed to be unbiased, but the only reason why I'm rooting for the Warriors is because the Titans have been invincible all through, at least the challenger stage of this tournament.
Absolutely, absolutely. They've called the shots in every challenger cup they've played. You know, Cup 1, Cup 2, Cup 3. Of course, they did finish runners-up in one of the singles events. But then, having said that, they've dominated the doubles, they've dominated the mixed doubles, and they are on a roll here as well. But Hriday, if you were to, choose a team and be a part of it, which team would you be?
I'll tell you which team I would be in. And I'm not going by like results or final things. I want to be a part of the team where my favorite player was, what's her name? I forgot. Anisha. Nandi.
Mavericks? No, Nandi. Okay.
Nandi Chargers.
Nandi Chargers.
I want to be a part of Nandi Chargers. You know why? Because the coach of Nandi Chargers, actually in the last Challenger league that I met them, he is somebody who played tennis for India in the Davis Cup. I saw him coach his team and it really shook me, because I asked him like, what are you going for? For the first time, I saw somebody who represented the nation in a sport, coaching another sport, and I tried to break down what goes into his mind. And it was so beautiful because it is so mechanical. We think that sport has nothing to do with science and technology, but it is so planned, it is so articulate, it is so meticulous that I fell in love with that team. So that is the team that I would go for.
Absolutely, and it also has a telling effect, whenever you have these people who've played sport, players who've played sport at the highest level come into your team. Be it any sport, they have that mentality, they have that winning mentality. They know what it takes, to excel at sport. They know what it takes to be that winner. They know what it takes to, take a loss. Not everybody can, take a loss. It's how you learn from a loss and how you move forward is what matters a lot as well. Winning is easy, and then when you win, your mindset is different. But when you lose, your mindset is different. How do you bounce back from a loss? How do you take that loss in your stride? That all comes from people who've, from the Sainas, the Kidambis, the Srikanth and Nandu, from the Nandi Warriors coaches and the Kirti Warriors coaches, even Vaishak there. He's played tennis. He's been a part of the administration as well of pickleball. He owns, courts in Sun City here in Hyderabad. So, they all know how to bounce back from a loss. They all know what it takes to learn from a loss.
And this is just a bit of a typo. I meant the Nandi Chargers, by the way.
Right.
Not the Warriors, because the Warriors are right here. But the team that I'm supporting is 9-6. It's the opposite of 69. My favorite number in the number system. But we are at 9-6.
I'm not going to go into
Can the
details.
Kirti Warriors pull off a miracle here?
Let's hope they can. 15 points is what we're looking at. It's 9-7 as we talk.
Yeah, and as we speak, 9-7, the camera person is on us. Can you wave at the camera at this break? Yeah, can you wave? Because Kishore is a very humble guy, and I am the opposite of humble. I am pompous. So I believe commentators need to be colorful. And can you look at the camera in the eye and just say hi?
Yeah.
Please,
Yes.
right now.
So it's 9.
But the director will never switch to us because, of course, there is a requirement. 9-7, let's go. All right, right now, can you look at the camera and say hi?
I'm looking at the camera saying hi to all our viewers. Thank you for staying at this hour and watching these kind of competitive matches. And that's what pickleball is all about, keeping you awake for a good reason.
Yep. All right, if you haven't watched it yet, if you're just listening on YouTube or watching on YouTube, you should come to the Hyderabad Pickleball League. It's such a chill league. You come, you have a good time, you make friends, you know. All right, let's get back into the match. Right now, Kishore is supporting the Titans and I'm supporting the Warriors. The Warriors are leading 9-7. Let's go. It's the final of the challengers phase of the Hyderabad Pickleball League.
Service with the Titans at 7-9. They have the 2-point deficit to be that they want to overturn first
Yeah.
before going ahead and thinking of that lead.
All right, I have a
From their
question for
second
you,
serve.
Kishore. Right now, in Hyderabadi language, in the Telangana slang, if you had to encourage the Titans, what would you say?
Well, it's a tough one. Now, what would you say at this time? చేద్దాం రావే చేద్దాం చలో చూసుకుందాం రా ఏదైతే అది అయింది చూసుకుందాం పదా మనదే అంతా.
I love that for the first time I got Kishore to open up and explore what he is behind the commentator persona. All right, you know what I will tell the Kirti Warriors? Meer Warriors ra. రే టైటన్స్ ఏందిరా మీరు వాచ్ చేసుకొని వచ్చిండ్రా ఇక్కడికి రిమెంబర్ ద టైటన్స్ నేను చెప్తా ఫర్గెట్ ద టైటన్స్ రా ఎవడరా టైటన్స్ మీరు వారియర్స్ కొంచెం వారాద్ది ఓకే పోన్లే మా పాయింట్ వెళ్ళింది ఓకే బట్ ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ విత్ ద వారియర్స్ ఐ లవ్ దట్ కిషోర్ ఇస్ so flexible enough in spite of his like rich history of commentary and professional sports journalism.
Not really.
I love the fact that he's cool enough to break into a little bit of
All thanks to you because you know the kind of questions that you ask also brings the best out of your co-commentator. So it's again a partnership, just like how the combination, how you know we're talking about how they got the combination right. I think we've got the combination right in the commentary box as well.
Yep.
Thanks to you, Hriday, for that.
Hey, thanks to you, Kishore. All right. Oh my God, the referee. Referee is going to dock 2 points, but he's not because it's a professional tournament. All right.
Referee in the
10-7.
danger zone.
And I don't know if you guys are watching this. If you're still watching this on YouTube, first of all, thank you. Right? Thank you to all the people who are watching this on YouTube. You don't know what it means, you know, for people like us to run a tournament, to keep talking all night, to know that somebody is watching. Right now we are in the final, 10-7. All right. Before it gets more heated up, service has changed. Kirti Warriors. But I have to ask you one question, Kishore. Who is your favorite sports journalist? Not presenter, journalist.
There's been many, you know. Of course, I've read a lot of cricket. So R. Mohan, who writes a lot of cricket in the Hindu and then the Deccan Chronicle, I was proud, you know. It is a very proud moment to be working under him because he was the resident editor of Deccan Chronicle when I joined. And then my boss, T.N. Raghu, used to write a lot on Deccan Chronicle, who used to write a lot on football. You know, he was
Man,
the one
I
who...
love Deccan Chronicle so much because DC was what Hyderabad was.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And when the IPL started, that fact that they were Deccan Chargers, you know, they
I'm
had
proud
the
to come from
coolest
Deccan
logo.
Chronicle, absolutely.
No,
you know.
DC understood tabloid before India understood tabloid.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You know, and
And-
DC was such a beautiful, beautiful newspaper. Yeah. I'll tell you a sports journalist that I love. It is this guy called Jarrod Kimber.
Jarrod Kimber.
Jarrod
yes,
Kimber, who writes for
yes.
Cricket 4. He used to write for Cricket 4, now he's gone solo. But he's my favorite sports journalist. Do you know Vijay Lokapalli?
I do. I've worked with Vijay Lokapalli. Fortunate
Really?
to work with Vijay Lokapalli in the
He
Hindu.
was like the writer for Hindu for the longest time.
Absolutely. So we were colleagues. You know, I was in the Hindu Chennai
Oh my
and
God.
Vijay Lokapalli was with the Hindu in New Delhi. Fortunate enough to have interacted with him, very close quarters, worked with him on many stories, understood how he approaches the story and all that. So, you know, the Hindu gave me a very great platform, you know, to work with.
The greatest newspaper there ever was in this country. All right, let's get back. Beyond that, the Kirti Warriors are leading 11-8. Let's go, Kirti Warriors. This is an underdog story if ever there was one.
The doubles match progressing. Vaishak and Kiran of the Kirti Warriors, making Nihal and Aditya of the Teramo Titans work for every point. Second serve in progress for the Kirti Warriors. 11-8, a 3-point lead.
And on your screen, you could see Zina, and I met her before the last match, and I asked her, "Is your team called Zina? I mean, Kirti Warriors, because Zina the Warrior Princess?" And she said yes. Her name is Zina, by the way, the
Zina the
captain of
Warrior.
this team. She played cricket for India. She has devoted her whole life to sport. All right, let's get back into the game. The Teramo Titans trying to win the final 8-11 for somebody who sat through the Titans winning everything.
The crawling back into this contest are the Teramo Titans. Break of serve. In fact, the second serve for the Teramo Titans. The Kirti Warriors
Well
must
returned.
make sure
A
to get that serve.
smash! Another smash. This is the Warriors. Just look at the coach. Look at the captain of the Warriors. Look at the passion. Because the Warriors have seen the Titans sweep through. Oh my God, the Kirti Warriors captain is in his elements.
That's
And I-
Shantanu for you.
That is Shantanu. I would love to bring Shantanu right now into the commentary box if that's possible. I will still have to ask around. 11-8. It's the first time I'm seeing somebody give the Titans, a run for their money.
Mavericks did that earlier. Not
They
to forget,
did,
Mavericks
but
did that
not at
earlier.
the final stage.
Right. It was all dominated by Teramo Titans. Right now, looking at 11-8, the scoreboard has been stagnant for some time because the players have been winning points not on their serves.
And in pickleball, you know that when the score doesn't move for 5 minutes, oh my God, what a shot that is. What a shot that is.
We are at 1:30 in the night, Hriday, talking about pickleball in the final. Half of Hyderabad would have been sleeping by now.
Yeah.
But for us,
And-
the night is still young.
Beauty of pickleball, it is a sport, but it's also a vibe, All right, the Kirti Warriors in the
Game. I love it. And I love the name Kirti.
with all the other teams, they chose a name that sounds like a generic name. But Kirti means glory. It means fame and victory and glory. I love that Kirti Warriors is the name of the team, Kirti Warriors.
11-8 as we speak here. The service have been changing sides. The teams have not been able to move from this 11-8 score line. The players have been changing serves, but no team has been able to go ahead and
good lob onto the back of the court. We're playing in the rally. Oh my God. That's
Finally a
what
point for
I
Kirti
mean.
Warriors.
12-8. Let's go, Kirti Warriors.
3 points away from winning the first match of this final.
finals. And what an upset it would be for a team that has bulldozed the rest of the opposition. And you can tell the difference it makes when your captain, your coach is there on the sides. And that's the beauty of Hyderabad Pickleball League. It's like when your coach, your captain is right there, egging you on for every point, it makes so much of a difference. Of course, in the defense of the Titans, they have won so much over the last 2 weeks that their captain and coach must have been like, okay, this is routine, this is part of the drill.
Yeah, I mean, when they also stepped in today, they were on top of that leaderboard. But today, maybe they've just taken it a little easy. And of course,
Beautiful.
it talks a lot on
What
your
a-
endurance as well, Hriday, because you've been playing non-stop for so many matches.
And just look at him there. I don't know if you can see him on the screen, but here in the commentary, look at that. The bass drumbeat sound you hear is of the captain smashing the sideboards and telling his teammates that you gotta do it.
Shantanu, the captain or the manager, the CEO, whatever you call it, of the Kirti Warriors.
What a
Warrior
shot,
spirit.
what a return. Let's go! I understand that commentators have got to be neutral. But what do I say? That's my friend Naveen and Sushant, the actor over there, who are supporting the Kirti Warriors too, I assume. It's the first final, please remember. The Titans have been titanic in their victory in this league. Alright, the Warriors, can they do it?
Lose the serve. It's the Teramo Titans who have served now. They're 8-13. 5
8-13.
points behind.
Can they come back?
We've seen teams crawling back from 8-point deficits. 5 points is what Teramo Titans need to crawl back. But will the Kirti Warriors allow it? Is the
What a
question. They are
shot.
not. The Teramo Titans make an error at the net. Shantanu looks to be saying stick to the basics. Just put
I
the ball
would
back in play.
love to mic Shantanu up right now, because he is truly inspiring the team to go above and beyond their skills. Okay, it's a rare mishap. It's okay. And that brings the Titans up to 9. We are at 9-13, second serve.
Second serve for the Teramo Titans. Vishak with that backhand return infringement. Ball from the adjacent court comes in, so there's an infringement. So it'll be a reserve.
Good serve, everybody playing safe. That's an unforced error. You don't want that at this point.
Service back with the Kirti Warriors. They need 2 points to win this first tie in the final.
Safe serve, a very safe serve.
Match point.
All right, match point. Let's go, Kirti Warriors. I'm with you, Kirti Warriors. I understand that commentators got to be neutral, but come on. Don't you think Sunil Gavaskar and Ravi Shastri support India? Don't you think they will support India on Sunday when India takes on Pakistan? The pretense is to be neutral, but deep within, honestly, if you ask yourself, you do have your biases. I'm with the Kirti Warriors, 14-9. Let's go. It's a serve. They can win it. On the side, you can see Zina, their captain. That is Nikhil. He's the CEO of their team. He is asking them to stay cool. Look at his hand. It's outstretched. That is Zina, by the way. Behind, you can see their other teammates. They are taking on the biggest juggernaut in this tournament. All right, let's go. 14-9.
Timeout for the Teramo Titans. Maybe just to break that momentum
There on your
that they
screen, you
need.
can see the director. His name is Aniket. He has been ensuring that this whole thing goes well. All right, let's go. It's a victory for the Kirti Warriors.
They've made sure that they won the first tie in this final by 15-9.
The Kirti
So we still have
Warriors
3 more matches
have-
to go.
All right, they have won the battle, not the war. Can we say that? All right, while we wait for the next match to begin, my friend Kishore is a teetotaler, but you have a lot of vices, so I shall go. And that's the beauty of the Hyderabad Pickleball League.